हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम बैक टू अनदर सेशन ऑफ एजुकेशन हब और मैं हूं अंशुल धीमान। सो फ्रेंड्स, आज मैं आपके सामने एक न्यू टॉपिक के साथ आई हूं ऐसे लेके, जो कि है हमारा इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस इन 21st सेंचुरी। मैं आपको बता दूं मैं यही टॉपिक क्यों लेके आई हूँ फ्रेंड्स। तो मैं आपको बता देती हूँ, ये जो है अभी ये कंपटीशन होने जा रहा है जिसमें आपको ये टॉपिक दिया गया है, इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस इन 21st सेंचुरी। मैं थोड़ा और बता दूं आपको इस कंपटीशन के बारे में। ये जो आपका कंपटीशन है, इसका जो रजिस्ट्रेशन है वो बिल्कुल फ्री है और इसमें जो है आप सभी लोग पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं। आप किसी भी कैटेगरी में हैं, कुछ भी मतलब करते हैं, आप स्टूडेंट हैं, होम मेकर हैं या फिर वर्कर हैं या फिर जो भी, आप इसमें पार्टिसिपेट कर सकते हैं अबव द एज ऑफ 10 ईयर्स। ओके। और ये जो है इसमें आपको 1000 वर्ड्स में जो है एक ये ऐसे लिख के देना है और आपको 31 अक्टूबर इसकी जो लास्ट डेट है उस तक उसको सबमिट कराना है। और इसका जो टॉपिक है वो है इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ मेंटल हेल्थ अवेयरनेस इन 21st सेंचुरी। देखिए फ्रेंड्स, मैं आपको बताऊं, बहुत ऐसी खुशहाल फैक्ट होते हैं जो एक हैप्पी लाइफ को डिफाइन करते हैं और उन्हीं में से सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है मेंटल हेल्थ। और इसी को लेके आज हम हमारा टॉपिक देखने वाले हैं। आइए देख लेते हैं। द पॉपुलर सेइंग health is wealth give a large meaning to our life, as health is considered the most valuable and precious for every individual. Good health means not only a state of absence of disease in the body, but a complete physical, mental, social, as well as spiritual well being of an individual. Here we are talking about mental health. Overall, mental health is as important as your physical health. While we try to keep our bodies, outfit, and customs shirt fit and healthy, it's also necessary to keep our minds fit and strong too. In our 21st century, almost one of the half generation across the globe are experiencing mental health problems. Most of them are experiencing different forms of depression and anxiety caused by peer pressure, family concerns and poor self esteem. उसके बाद आप कोटेशन ऐड कर सकते हैं, आप चाहे तो अपने साइड से भी कुछ ऐड कर सकते हैं। टू कीप द बॉडी इन गुड health is a duty, otherwise we shall not be able to keep our mind stronger and clear. Then every year World Mental Health Day is observed on October 10. It was started as an annual activity by the World Federation for Mental Health by Deputy Secretary General of UNO at that time. Mental health resources differ significantly from one country to another. The World Health Organization defines mental health as saying that it is a condition of well-being in which one realizes one's own abilities. He can withstand the normal stresses of life and he is able to contribute to society. Mental health affects our everyday lives, family and social understanding and physical health. It helps in balancing various life events. He is happy in the happiness, and if there is sadness or adverse situation, then he teaches us how to get out of it and live life in the right direction. Research suggests that every fourth person is suffering from some form of mental illness but is afraid to see a doctor knowing that he is struggling with a mental problem alone. The big reason for this is the misconception of our society about mental problems or being prejudiced. We may not remember that we have ever gone to a doctor or hospital to diagnose a mental problem, while from minor physical problems like colds and fever to the biggest illness, heart disease, diabetes and cancer, we seek medical advice immediately. Like physical illness, there are many types of mental problems that are possible to diagnose, but by not getting medical advice at the right time, small mental problems become big and sometimes even lead to fatal consequences like suicides. While taking on those who don't understand the movement for mental health awareness is difficult, it's also apt to recognize those who move forward, educating the society about the importance of keeping our minds healthy and giving the proper interaction and treatment to those who have a hard time coping up with the anxieties. Like physical illness, mental illness can be treated and cured too. Many organizations, companies, and industries in society are now uniting themselves towards mental health awareness. Fashion companies are making custom t-shirts with encouraging words or phrases. Office industries are setting up mental health corners for their employees who could possibly experience mental health problems. Non-government organizations are reaching out to families who may have a trouble set up and been affecting the mental health of their children. All of these are positive attributes that could help spread mental health awareness and end the stigma that anxiety, depression, and other mental health concerns are just made drama or nothing on consequences. It's important to keep our minds as well as everyone else's mental wellness an important aspect of our health in order to maintain a healthy and balanced life. There is competition at every step in life. Everyone wants to be equal to the other, whether at school or college level or to maintain a health style in life. People should recognize that the fact that health is first. We can do all this only when we are healthy and work better on other aspects of life. The government should also provide good health and facilities for the good of the country. एंड लास्ट में हम एक और कोटेशन ऐड कर सकते हैं. What mental health is need is more sunlight, more candor and more unshamed conversation. सो फ्रेंड्स, ये था मेरा आज का एसे. आई होप आपको ये ज़रूर पसंद आया होगा. फ्रेंड्स, अगर आपको ये एसे पसंद आया है तो प्लीज़ मेरी वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर कीजिएगा और मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा. और मैंने जो है इस एसे का जो लिंक है, यानी कि जो हमारा ये कंपटीशन है एसे का, इसका जो लिंक है वो डिस्क्रिप्शन में दे दिया है. आप चाहे तो वहाँ से इसको रजिस्टर कर सकते हैं या फिर आप इसकी और कुछ अगर इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहते हैं तो वो आप वहाँ से कर सकते हैं. आज के लिए इतना ही. थैंक यू सो मच फ्रेंड्स.